Understanding Open a File, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, open a file. This is a common phrase used in both everyday and professional contexts, especially in the digital age. Understanding its meaning and usage is crucial for navigating modern technology and workplace communication. Open a file refers to the action of accessing the contents of a file on a computer or a digital device. When you open a file, you are essentially activating it so that you can view, read, or modify the information it contains. This can include documents, images, videos, or any other type of digital file. In technology, examples: can you open the PDF file I sent you? Or, I need to open the report file to edit it. Context: this phrase is commonly used when working with computers, smartphones, or other digital devices. In everyday language, examples: let's open the file on our vacation plans, or, I have opened a file for each project. Context: in everyday speech, it can metaphorically mean starting or organizing information about a particular topic or task. 1. Open a file, vs. Start a file, open a file, means accessing an already existing file, while start a file refers to creating a new one. 2. Open, as a versatile verb. The word open has multiple meanings in English. It can mean to make something accessible or available, to initiate something, or to physically open something like a door or a window. Scenario 1. You receive an email with an attachment. You would say, I am going to open the file attached to this email. Scenario 2. At work, discussing a new project, you might say, let's open a file for this project to keep all our documents organized. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, open a file. It's a simple yet essential part of navigating today's digital world. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Keep learning and stay curious.